Hi there again. Thank you for taking interest in my day. Here we go. In the mornings, I wake up at 6 a.m. Waking up is sometimes difficult, but this morning I feel fine. I take a few minutes to get out of bed and then go downstairs to the kitchen to have breakfast. I always choose healthy and energizing recipes to give me the strength to face this new day. This morning, I made myself organic oat milk with fruit and a nice green vegetable smoothie. After enjoying my breakfast, I head out for my yoga session. I use my 4D TV to follow my session online, which allows me to follow my coach in each of her movements and to be 100% relaxed thanks to the sounds and effects emitted by my TV. After yoga, I go for a short shower, which does not exceed 5 minutes. Water is a precious resource nowadays. It's also fast because you just have to sit down and the automatic jets do the rest for you. I use my organic soaps that I learned to make myself. I usually leave for work at 7:30. I get into my electric car and give the address to the driver. Oh no, wait. I don't have a driver. My car drives itself.
20 minutes later.
It's 8 a.m. I am now gone for 4 hours of work and accomplished my mission as a robotic engineer with precision. I'm in charge of designing, programming, and developing robots and robotic systems that are generally used by the automotive or electric industry. Sometimes we also intervene in the medical sector, agriculture, construction, or logistics. I'll let you discover some pictures of my working environment. Finally, it's time to have lunch. I usually eat at the company canteen. Here, as you can see on the video, everything is automatic. First, I go to the machine and unlock it with my Face ID or the card from the company. Then, I choose what to eat from the menu, which has only vegan or vegetarian options. And the ingredients are organic, of course. Once I'm done with the order, I just pay with card, Face ID, microchip on my wrist or smartphone. The food is prepared by the machine that I film in the video and it will be done in seconds. Then you have to only pick it up at the station and it's ready for you to eat. Easy peasy, isn't it? After lunch, I make my shopping list which is linked with my fridge, so I already know what I have to buy. However, I take 15 to 20 minutes to check it and add or take stuff from it and buy consciously in order to avoid food waste. Then, I upload the list in the app and go to the nearest supermarket where I just scan the QR code and a mini robot is going to find me with all my purchases just to pick it up and take it home. Before starting my master classes, I have a few hours of free time that I spend with famous people or just traveling around the world thanks to AI and virtual reality. Also, I use this time to post news in the Greenpeace social media to make people aware about climate change and to take care of the planet because we only have one. Remember, there is no planet B. Around 4 p.m., my weekly online lecture begins. I study Masters of Science in Engineering and Sustainable Technology Management, focusing on industry automation, robotics, and 3D manufacturing. I attend my lectures virtually using the immersive Engage software, where I have my own digital persona and can meet the personas of my professors and other students. This software allows personality expressions through the personas we create, it enables remote team collaboration, and offers training and development through realistic simulations. The interaction and engagement we have with each other and the artificial environment give us memorable and entertaining learning experiences that make education more about learning adventure and less about passing exams. Universities nowadays have many identities and can be any place imaginable to humans, not just a campus. After my lecture is done, I take my dog to the public park nearby. My dog has a microchip implant and a GPS tracker that make it easier for me to understand and locate him. The microchip reads the electrical impulses of my dog and translates them to voice messages that make it seem as if my dog can actually speak to me and tell me whether he's hungry, full, exhausted, energetic, cheerful, or bored. I play with him for a while until he tells me he has had enough. Then I leave him to roam in the park alone and I enjoy reading my favorite ebooks about green tech. I get back home from the park and I realize it's almost 19:30. I have to run. I have to meet my friends for dinner. I don't have many friends. I'm more of an introvert, but the friends that I have are true friends. So I jump in my electric car and I set the route to their house. I enjoy spending time with them, and I love having dinner at their house. They have a vertical garden where they grow vegetables, spices, and herbs on their own. Their meals are always so delicious. Wow, it's already 9 p.m. Time for me to get back home. Remember when you couldn't remember if you turned off the lights or the heater before you left or set the alarm for the day after? Well, that's not a problem anymore, thanks to my smart home. Here is a video about it. What a night! I'm finally home, everything is set, everything is clear, and I still have a little bit of time to chill and enjoy my favorite environment podcast on global warming. Here is a little recap of my day. Thank you for your attention, and until next time, bye bye!